Over the last couple of months, we have been involved with the Malgretoute Community Action Trust, the Premium Cocoa Producers Association. They have been the ones integrally involved in this basically rehabilitation project of the Malgretoute riverbank. They saw the need for this because there was initially a lot of flooding occurring here whenever there were heavy rainfalls. The people of Malgretoute community would lose a lot in terms of, their livelihood, because a lot of them plant right alongside these riverbanks as well. So a lot of this flooding has caused them a lot of financial damage, which they have been trying to figure out ways to remedy. And with the forestry department decided to assist them by stepping in and helping them with, various replanting projects, which would not only, one, help them with the stabilization of the riverbank, but also would help them provide for them some form of economic relief from what they lost. Doing so, we recognize that the use of economically viable species such as the cocoa, the citrus, the mangoes, all of those were, I would say, better alternatives than the normal forest species which we did initially. And so far they took to it, and then we began this in a couple of phases, the first one of which was from an area popularly known as Jack's River Crossing, all the way down to the Malgretoute River Bridge, in fact. And from the Malgretoute Bridge, we are intending to reach all the way to the coast as it is. So far, we've already completed over 528 meters thereabout, which somewhere equates, I think, to something just under maybe 0.06 acres. It's really a very minuscule number in terms of area, but the length of it is important, as it shows how far upstream we have been planting to get to the coast. So far, we remain just under 2,000 kilometers to go. And because of that length and the spacing with which we use, which is 1.5 meters between plants, we still are missing something like 1,000 to maybe 1,300 plants we are missing to plant so far. Right now, the Community Action Trust members are currently engaged with the assistance of the OECS project. They are the ones engaged in the replanting, the maintenance as well. Forestry is still going to provide some assistance in addition to what we've already done in the establishment of their nursery, in the technical advice that we give on a day-to-day basis. So we would just like to wish everyone here on this project, that this can continue in the vein that it started in, and then hopefully we can reap the rewards and the benefits of this project in the not too distant future.